Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Are you experiencing lag or slow performance while using Canva? Don't worry, here's how to fix it. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Canva is an online design tool, so a slow or unstable connections can cause serious lag. And then try switching to a stronger Wi-Fi or restarting your router. And then next, just check the browser that you are using. Make sure it's updated to the latest versions. Whether you use Google Chrome, Firefox, or another browser, just simply go to settings, just tap on three dots icon. If you use Google Chrome, just tap on three dots icon in the top right corner, this one, and then go to settings like this, and then just go to about Chrome, this one, and then it has, and then if it has the update button, just update it. And then next, after that, just enable hardware or graphic accelerations in your browser. Just go to settings and then just tap on system, this one, and then just make sure the use graphic accelerations when available options is enabled. And after that, just don't forget to restart the browser after enabling it. And okay, maybe that's it. These simple steps can greatly improve Canva's performance and reduce lag. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.